Requesting an RMA is easy and convenient with our online service. Visit our website at MRU-Instruments.com. Navigate to the Service Request menu and select RMA. New users will sign up by setting a username and inputting an email and password. An email will be sent and you can confirm your account. Once accessing your account page, you can begin by creating your RMA. Input all required information. You will be able to choose whether you want updates via SMS and select the service you would like an analyzer you will be sending. Complete the form with all necessary information. Once you have submitted your RMA and shipped your analyzer, all updates and documents will be available via SMS, email, and your account page. Thank you for choosing MRU.